Hello, I'm going to show you how to add a custom page to the My Account area in WooCommerce. So why might you want to customize the WooCommerce account area? It may be that you have additional resources to give to your customers. So for example, if they've purchased a product which requires PDF manuals or documentation, maybe some demo videos, you could add a page to your account area to accommodate this content. Maybe you have a membership site, so your customer purchases some kind of membership and they get presented with specific content based on what they purchased or their user role, which you could add to the account area. It could be that you've got support forms that are different depending on who the customer is or their customer role. Maybe you want to show different fields depending on whether they're a wholesale user or a normal customer. And you could do this in the account area with an additional page. Or maybe you just want to embed shortcodes from a third-party plugin into the account area. And all of this is possible, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to assume your WooCommerce store is already configured. I've got one here. It's just a demo site with the demo products installed. And you can see if we go to the My Account area, we've got these tabs down the left and we've got the content in the middle. What I might do actually is change the template of this page to full width. And if we refresh that, that's better. Okay, so we're using the full width template. We've got the My Account area content here, and we've got the My Account area navigation down the side here. So this is a brand new install, so I don't have any orders or downloads or anything as of yet. But the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to add more tabs here and load the content of those tabs in the account area. So the first thing you'll want to do is grab the WooCommerce account pages plugin from our site, which is iconicwp.com. And once you've purchased it or started your free trial, you'll be able to download the plugin and install it via the back end of WordPress. So we'll come here to the plugins page in the back end, and I've already uploaded the zip file that I've downloaded after purchasing or trialing the account pages plugin, and you just want to go ahead and activate it. You'll be prompted to add your license key, which you'll receive when you download the plugin. So we'll drop that in. And click activate. So once it's activated, you'll see the settings page. There's not actually any settings for this plugin that you can configure globally at the moment. But from here you can kind of manage your account, your license, submit a ticket to support, and access the documentation. So once the plugin's installed, what you want to do is go to the Pages section of your WordPress site and have a look on this page to see which page is set as your account page, which you can see here is the page we've labeled My Account. So whichever one in your WooCommerce settings is configured to be your account page will have this kind of description after it. So we can see My Account is set to the My Account page. So now we have the Account Pages plugin installed. All we have to do is add a new page. We'll give it a title, we'll call it Example Page. And we'll add a bit of content. And then what you want to do is go to the document settings. And this is obviously using Gutenberg, which if you're kind of just getting started now, should be the default. But the same concepts exist for the classic editor. So you want to go to the document settings, you want to go to page attributes, your template will choose full width again, and the parent page is the important part. So what we want to do is set the account page to be our parent page. And with that set, we're just going to click publish and publish again. And if we go back to our demo site now and refresh the page, you can see in our list of links here we've got a new page added with the title of the page, which is called example page, and when we click it we get the heading and we get the content, and it's all within the context of our account area. So the other thing you might want to do is only display the pages to specific user roles on your website. So once you've created the subpage, if you go back to edit it and you look at the document settings, down here we've got a new section which is the account page settings. So you can choose which user roles to display this account page for. So if I disable administrator, because that's what I am, and update the page, and then go back to the My Account page on our site, you can see in the sidebar here we don't have that extra page. If again I go back to the page here and turn administrator back on, and then refresh, you can see we've got that page again. So this is a really good way to add pages to certain user roles depending on what kind of user they are. So you could have wholesale users, or you could have normal customers, which you can assign to the user when they check out. And that's it. It's pretty much as simple as that. So if you want to get started, just grab the trial of our WooCommerce account pages plugin and give it a go. Let me know what you think.